Mwanchi muligereria bwegeta seni kia Ndizi TV Chinsa ni Ikomi chabana magoroba ekero chire chitariki Ikomi nemo mutinyino yokane umwaka bwechiri bwibere na 2023 na mange agendete gukoreka ase chikaunti cheto cha Nyamira na Kisii na boigo ense ya Kenya engima. Mwanchi muligereria tukoria rero ikiombe kia International Solidarity Foundation kubwatekana no komenteka kwibikoro bya bantu kwerusyo bogima amono gotibongwa kwa bana bake asensema ya kitutu cha North nigo bono ababwatani korwa ase kiombe kyo barura maigerio ochasaba menyi bense meyo muri kituba mangana maya job mangi no ara sense meyo gotorosolero botyoruo asenchira yobwikirano baigo mwanchi muligereria ekiombe gia County Public Service Board nigo kerebosyo bwe County Assembly ya Kisii kolingorigwa igoro yobokoreri bwabo chingakie kagerenga nigo bagwenerete kurwa bisi kubwatekana no wikirania mamocho ao gati yabo kolika bantemeremo batabwatetie lichiko mwachumulire yo mana yanda mange baliki baitomba gendete ko yabwatia asenchira yo wikirano korende aya naro gati yali twa kwareganire Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bwenge asibali mogotobwatia wetera Facebook no tulibuna Ndizi TV News Digital na baigansema ya YouTube no tulibuna Ndizi TV News kwira nande bona segekeke kirabasyo egere kumanyenga naralia na kwareganire azichinga kiechiga Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no lia tokubwatera na komo korwa sense moje bimanyerelio niga koro kwa Joshua Auta ekero toko ya chaka korwa senkendu ya Kisii teaching and referral ase omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati anyalireko bakago kwana nabaliki bamangana korwa se vitaseni ao igoro yobokoreri bogendrete ase county yo asa gosa senkende enkendu yo asa tebirebuna barabobune serikali county ya Kisii mbagendrete kobeke mirobili mekeranu na kwene kiabuno obokoreri ase enkendu ya Kisii teaching and referral ngogendrere kuri obokoreri boli buganerie muri kituba mangana maya Mildred Momanyi amo nabaliki bande mbagendrete kubwatia oroboti urukurinde echine chibicha nenkwana yo mugavana Paul Simba Arati
Lango ni inspector Obadia hawazi wawili hawaingii kwa mochari officer yes hawazi wawili wataenda nyumbani leo na hizi tu hawa wawili na wasingie kwa mochari. I'm replacing some people to take charge of the mochari. Hiyo biashara tumeisha. Mheshimiwa alipigiwa simu hata hukujua kwamba ni yeye. Kaongelesha yeye mpaka alipokuambia unaambia unaamka asubuhi hata unalala hata mili ikija yes. How can you put three bodies together? Mnatoa watu hospitalini mzee Umari. Mnatoa hospitalini mtu amekufa mnaweka na yeye na nguo zote na kila kitu ndani. Hata waliokufa wanahitaji heshima. The two of you tafadhali enda nyumbani. Rudisha zile vitu mko nazo za mochari mwende. Officers wazee tafadhali waondoke and they take charge. Enda na wao. Let them leave.
Chinga kiechio chi sense meyo yenkendu oyolentenenera wose acting CEO Dr. Oimeke Marita nero rurekerangariri kiaya igoro yobokoreri asenkendu eyo.
Teaching and referral hospital. As you all know, KTRH is a private institution serving 8 counties within the Lake Region Economic Bloc. Our vision is very clear to offer, to be a center of excellence in healthcare service delivery in the region. And that is achieved through quality services, through research. We are all gathered today here because of the recent happening. In the last 3-4 days, there was an uproar about the status of our mortuary. Our intelligence that we have been doing since that time has pointed towards what I would call sabotage that was intentional to try and show our governor to be efficient. However, we have taken that negative publicity positively, and we have started putting changes that are going to make a big difference starting today. So therefore, just to reassure our customers that the mortuary is back with normal.
Omorai wense Dr. William Ruto niga kwanire igoro yo kunyorwa kwe misara y'abakoreri ba serikali korwase serikali nene goikase serikali yechi county abo asate birubuna omurobelyo noro mwikiranu ngana ky'abakora imirimo bagucha konyora chibesa cyabo nonye cyanyorirwe asege kabono niga yakwana ya chingaki cyoko igora gose cyoko igora kwa roboti ruwabokoreri bumwaka bw'ekirwibere na 2023 ase county ya Nairobi.
No, we had an issue of delayed salaries, which is, somebody said, it is the first time that we are having delayed salaries. Yes, it is the first time we are having delayed salaries. But it's also the first time we are having such monumental debts. I want to assure the country that that is managed. We have turned the corner. All I assure the country is the commitment I made that we are not going to borrow money to spend on recurrent expenditure, including salaries. That is the position of the government of Kenya. We will not do that. We will look for our taxes, and I want to commend the Kenya Revenue Authority for what they are doing. They are today at 95% of their commitment. Thank you, Madam Acting Commissioner. They are doing a wonderful job in a very difficult terrain. We have experience of people who are not used to paying taxes.
Nigoboigo Dr. Ruto aenekire buna aba waziri nigobago chogwikirana ase bunge nene gosibosyo bwa bunge bunenchereye moyo gocha koiraneria mabolyo igoro y'obokoreri bwabo nigoboigo Ruto aenekire na goteba buna mbabwate merobulyo buna Kenya kwanza yogocha koenekia buna mbache kubwaterana nensema yo kwamiriria serikali ase nchere ndonge nataligo so ase chipara gwikirania maandamano buna yo anyarako baga korangeligwa korwasobo mobu wa Kenya gosobo mobu wazimio la umoja wa Kenya.
Let us eradicate all practices of sabotaging and discouraging high standards of performance in public service and instead motivate, reinforce, encourage, and support them. Let us also remember that the performance management mechanism is one more platform on which Kenyans will subject our servants to intense scrutiny and align our conduct accordingly. Let me say here again to thank the Senate and National Assembly for acceding to my request that we provide a platform where the people's representatives sitting in Parliament can interrogate our administration by affording a platform for cabinet secretaries to be able to answer questions directly in Parliament. And I am happy that that process is going to begin tomorrow, so that cabinet secretaries can get to the floor of the House, answer questions from the people's representatives, explain our actions, and create a better interface between the executive and the legislature in a mechanism that ensures greater accountability of the government of Kenya. Because I am a very strong believer in accountability. It is the same reason that hopefully through the bipartisan process, we can also get our opposition away from street battles.
Ensemo ya Kenya Kwanza litukulia lero mbaumira nasa magacho a State House imeyana ya babunge batano na babere abo bagocha kumirana na babunge bande batano na babere korwase obomo bwazimio lo omoremba sense ya Kenya na kuligia machibwa maikirano buna azimio lo moja one Kenya yaikie birero byabo bosio bwe serikali.
The parliamentary group agreed with the president on the need to govern the country in accordance with the Constitution and the rule of law. 2, appreciating that the Constitution of Kenya gives Parliament the singular mandate of resolving all issues that are of concern to the people of Kenya. The parliamentary group meeting agreed with the President on a parliamentary bipartisan approach in resolving such matters. Consequently, the PG nominates the following members to lead our team in this process. 1, the Honorable Boni Khalwale, Senator Kakamega. 2, the Honorable George Murugara, the Member of Parliament, Tharaka. 3, Honorable Senator S.C. Okenyuri, nominated Senator. 4, the Honorable Mwengi Mutuse, Member of Parliament, Kibwezi West. 5, the Honorable Lydia Haika, Women Representative, Taita Taveta. 6, the Honorable Senator Hilary Sigei, Senator Bomet County. And 7, the Honorable Adan Keinan, MP Eldas. The parliamentary group reaffirms our commitment to the rule of law and constitutionalism and appreciates the role of the opposition to oversight and criticize government.
Nigobo igomo Senator bwe county ya Kericho atebire bali tayare na inde nigoba gochia gotegerera mono obomo bwazimio lo moja one Kenya wetera abaraya bu batano na babere baraba bunge banyarako baba gochorwa asikulinda atebire mbagochia gotenenia emirobere ya serikali ekiagera Kenya Kwanza nigebegete bosio amagenderero gochia saba Kenya.
We affirm our support to the efforts made by this government on policies that are geared towards stabilizing our economy, lowering the cost of living, creating jobs and incomes for majority of our people, and ensuring inclusive growth, because that is a contract that the Kenya Kwanza Alliance signed with the people of Kenya. As a PG also, we resist the attempts by the opposition to force or blackmail the government to implement failed policies of the last regime that drove the country into economic mess, including the corruption-ridden consumption subsidies, irresponsible borrowing and gross fiscal mismanagement through the state capture. We particularly support the government's policy of subsidizing production rather than consumption and the prudent fiscal management within a framework of managed debt levels. We are not refusing to take advice. We will listen to every Kenyan, but we find it rather difficult to take advice from the very people that put us in the mess we are in today.
Omorai bwabake ase bunge oyobo igoro mo bunge bwensemo ya Ugunja Opio Wandai nigobona mochiri okumirana kwa babunge korwa sensemo ya Kenya Kwanza abo bakora igikaro kiabo no morai bwense emambia lero ase nyumba y'oburai ya State House korangana na Wandai nigatebire teribuya abaraya bokumirana ase nsemeyo.
They are continuing the bad habit of holding parliamentary group meetings in State House, which is you know, a public utility. Next time we want to hold our meeting, our PG there also. May want. Okay, if that's now the trend. But then we have had them. First, we have seen they have appointed a 7-member team to join our team in the negotiations. Fair enough. But we are totally surprised and stunned at the fact that they have brazenly appointed in their team a member from the Azimio la Umoja coalition, the Honorable Aden Kainan. As far as we are concerned, Honorable Aden Kainan is a member of the Jubilee Party, which is an affiliate party of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition. Yet, the idea of killing political parties is one of the issues we want to address through that bipartisan process.
Nigo igomora yoyo anyalre kobaga komocha CHISA ichiri chigendrete gusangererirwa bunentere moyogo chia kobasoera abarai koro Azimio la Umoja One Kenya iyo gotebekana baturubanetio morembe chingaki chia maandamano asense ya Kenya kolengana na opio nigasingerere goteba buna maandamano na nchire kolengana neli chiko na igo ondeta iyo koro Azimio la Umoja One Kenya ochiete mamincha na maganyo ye katiba asense ya Kenya.
We have also seen they have appointed Mwangi Mtusi, who is a member of the Maendeleo Chapter. Both Maendeleo Chapter and Jubilee Party remain legally members of the new coalition. Okay? So, already they are starting this process on a wrong foot. They are already demonstrating utmost bad faith and lack of goodwill in the manner they are going about appointing members to their team for negotiations. You cannot have your cake and eat it. Honorable Kainan can't belong to Azimio and at the same time belong to Kenya Kwanza. You know that. Even if you say, for instance,
Mwanchu mulgereria na rayu asibono asenchira yobwenge kolenda asengencho yo asenchira yobwikirano ensa eya mone Chinsa satocho batukobwalero muchikomerano yo mitoi balina osero yogenda to kwaleganiria atalimake bakubwaterana nabaliki baito bamangana maya korwa Chinsemo ao igobano to baisagosuke kyagera amaya mutwale ekero yaragire ensa eyemo yabono botuko oliato bwateranire komo korwa Sensemo yibimanyirerio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta chingaki John Kibati ayenekire buna kwa enyo gwetera senchira ya online Facebook YouTube na gwetera ase chinchira chamaliogi ne chibicha mwancho mulio to baisagosuke kyagera papa antivirus no arega ase umurobulio yebwe chingero asegeke kerebosyo muchikumirana nere arakomanyia mange korumwa gatiganete gosimwatiganete lituko lyeigoro tuara oboligereria borobuya imegata seni kya Ndizi TV ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.